If you are wondering if we have 50 megapixel camera on the Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then the answer is yes. In fact, in total we have three 50 megapixel cameras. We have 50 megapixels at the front, the selfie camera has 50 megapixels, and at the back we have 50 megapixel wide camera and 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. Now if you go to the camera and if you take a photo using the default photo mode, then in that case you might notice, if you go to the details of the photo, that we are actually not using 50 megapixels. In this case, as you can see, we have 12.6. However, we can easily use 50 megapixel camera and take 50 megapixel photos by using the ultra res mode over here. In this case, if you take the photo and if you open details, you should be able to find the information or find out that you are using, in fact, 50 megapixel camera. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.